The biggest failure you can have in life is making the mistake of never trying at all. Life has two rules. Number one, never quite remember. Number two, always remember rule. No one is going to hand me success. I must go out and get it myself. That's why I am here to dominate, to conquer both the world and myself. I hope you will find many useful and inspiring thoughts among all these quotes that will help you to live a more awesome life. Not everyone is meant to be in your future. Some people are just passing through to teach you lessons in life. Marry the woman who has these three virtues: sweet tongue, soft heart, cool mind. Thanks for subscribing to our channel for more videos.